Today I find amazing park, so it have like crazy trees and so many birds, and it's amazing. And the weather was kind of tricky. Raindrops fly horizontally, but in this place it was okay because kind of pretty big canopy from trees and still it's big wind. But in the same time I really like this feeling. It's atmosphere there, it's very quiet. It feels great. Sit there in this nature. Thank you for watching, and see you next video. Follow, subscribe, watch my other tutorials, and share. Yeah, share. It's everywhere. Share everywhere you can.